Hi there, welcome to TopTube by The Other Box. Today we're going to be breaking down BAME. It's an acronym that so many people use here in the UK, but is it okay? Let's discuss. Before we get into it, be sure to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the little bell to be notified with our upcoming videos. Okay, BAME, let's get into it. What does it stand for? What does it mean? BAME stands for Black, Asian and Minority Ethnic. You'll hear it used a lot in the UK to describe people who are non-white. I hate how that sounds. It first showed up as BAME during anti-racist movements in the UK in the 1970s. That was half a century ago. BAME was meant to differentiate Black people from other ethnicities. The A was later added in the 1990s to represent Asian people. A win. But what about everybody else? BAME was a great start, but it is limited because it leaves out a lot of people. At The Other Box, we advise our clients and students in Top Academy not to use BAME. Why? It lumps different marginalized communities and experiences into one catch-all term. And that means it erases our unique histories and the different racial issues we face day to day. Minority ethnic includes white people too. Not sure what I mean by that? Let's explore. In the UK, communities like Gypsy, Roma, and travellers of Irish heritage are known to be some of the most disadvantaged and marginalised in society. Yet, there's no room in BAME to shed light on the issues that they face. So you see, the problem with lumping everyone under this umbrella is that it ignores nuance. Let's break it down even more using the letter A in BAME. So, there are 48 countries in Asia, yet only one word used to describe Asian. Please make it make sense. So the important takeaway here is that BAME is an acronym, not an identity. People who would be labeled as BAME don't self-identify as BAME. So the phrase BAME person, please don't say that. Now, let's use the Other Box team to break down that example even further. We're a team made up of 4 women with South Asian heritage. That's where our similarities end. We're from different countries. I'm Jamaican Sri Lankan, Leah is British Pakistani, Roshni is British Indian, and Seema is Indo-Fijian by way of Canada. We were born across 3 different decades. We all have different accents and were brought up around 4 different religions: Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, and Buddhism. So what can you say instead? At The Other Box, we like to use the term PGM, People of the Global Majority. It's an up-and-coming term that's more representative and accurate of the world today. It includes people who are Black, Brown, Asian, of mixed heritage, Indigenous, and anyone else that's been racialized as an ethnic minority. You see how it's so much more inclusive and up-to-date? It really shows that even though we are marginalized in the West, we're the majority in the world. I love it. It makes me feel so strong and so empowered. It's so much more inclusive and up-to-date. And we should be too. It's really quite simple. That being said, don't bash BAME. Language is fluid and always changing. BAME was coined such a long time ago, and it did serve a purpose. But we've identified its limits, and it's time to lean into change that's more inclusive. Want to learn more about inclusive language? Our Diversity Dictionary course is where you learn tools and get confident in updating the language you use every day. And I'm excited to say we've got a special discounted price for you. I've left a link in the description for you to get involved. Get better at giving and receiving feedback. Learn to listen with empathy and learn to accept that there are people in the world that experience it completely differently to you. And that's okay. Be sure to leave a comment below. I'd love to know what you think of PGM. Also, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the little bell in the right-hand corner to get notified when our next video is out. I feel like a real YouTuber now. Bye!